Hi! Our video today is different because we'll discuss Korean Sign Language and compare it with American Sign Language. 안녕하세요. This is how Koreans greet each other. Then let's start with the 5WH. Who is ASL. And then this is the older version, who. It's the same. For Korean, it's nugu. To sign it, this is nugu. Next is what in ASL. For Korean, it's mwoya. Next is when. So this is when in ASL. For Korean, it's when. And then this is where in ASL. For Koreans, where. Odi. This is why in ASL. For Korean, weyo. Then this is how, either one or both. How, that's in ASL. Then in Korean, it's this, ottoke. So now we know the 5WH in ASL and Korean Sign Language. I hope you enjoyed our video today and see you in the next video.